Heavy-duty trucks are built around one promise: getting the toughest jobs done without compromise. If that's what you need, skipping the 2026 model might be the smartest move you make this year, because the 2027 Chevrolet Silverado HD is arriving with everything that made its predecessor great and then some. Here are 6 reasons why you should wait for the 2027 Chevrolet Silverado HD. Number 6. Proven powertrain options. When it comes to heavy-duty trucks, the engine under the hood isn't just a spec sheet figure. It determines whether your truck earns its keep every single day. The 2027 Silverado HD is going to carry forward 2 distinct powertrain paths, and both are worth knowing about before you open your wallet. The standard option is a 6.6-liter gasoline V8, putting out 401 horsepower and 464 pound-feet of torque. It's a pushrod design built with simplicity and durability in mind. For buyers who don't tow at the extreme end of the spectrum, this engine handles day-to-day hauling without drama. It pairs with an Allison 10-speed automatic transmission, one of the most respected gearboxes in the heavy-duty segment, and connects to either rear or 4-wheel drive. But consider what it actually feels like to pull a fully loaded 5th-wheel trailer up a steep mountain grade, barely touching the throttle, with the engine barely registering the effort. That's the kind of effortless capability that separates the available 6.6-liter Duramax turbodiesel V8 from everything else in this truck's class. Torque output reaches a massive 975 pound-feet, power climbs to 470 horsepower, and the diesel version is going to hit 60 miles per hour in around 6.6 seconds. That's genuinely quick for a truck that weighs north of 8,000 pounds. Both engines share the same Allison transmission and axle options, but the diesel's torque advantage makes it the clear choice for serious towing work. And yet, even at highway speeds, the Duramax settles into a refined, barely audible hum, a far cry from the clattery diesel reputation of years past. Strong powertrains matter, but raw engine output only tells part of the story, because a truck that can't actually put those numbers to work in the real world isn't much of a workhorse. That's exactly what the next reason is all about. Number 5. Excellent work capabilities. There's a reason the Silverado HD continues to hold a firm grip on buyers who actually depend on their truck for a living. The numbers the 2027 model is going to carry over are not modest. Gas-powered configurations are rated to tow up to 20,000 pounds when properly equipped, while the diesel pushes that figure further still. Gooseneck and 5th-wheel setups open the door to even greater capacity for those running heavy trailers regularly. Payload is another area where this truck earns respect. Certain regular cab long bed configurations are going to support up to 3,689 pounds of payload. That's enough to load up a full bed of construction materials without a second thought. Think about how often a poorly designed tailgate turns a simple loading job into a 20-minute ordeal, especially when you're trying to get an awkward piece of equipment into the bed on your own. The available multi-flex tailgate on higher trims directly solves that problem, opening multiple ways to give you the access angle the job actually calls for. Alongside that, an integrated trailer brake controller is going to come standard across the entire lineup, eliminating one of the most common add-on headaches for buyers putting together a towing setup. And for those who spend time on job sites rather than paved roads, available skid plates, all-terrain tires, and upgraded suspension through the Z71 and ZR2 packages mean the truck doesn't stop working when the pavement does. 3 cab configurations and 2 bed lengths complete the picture, giving buyers the flexibility to match the truck to the actual demands of the job. A truck this capable deserves an exterior that looks the part. The 2027 Silverado HD is going to deliver exactly that, which brings us to reason number 4. Number 4. Modern look. Design cycles in the heavy-duty segment move slowly, and the current Silverado HD generation is no exception. But that design has aged remarkably well. The bold front end, wide stance, and squared-off proportions still look purposeful and competitive next to newer rivals. The 2027 model is going to continue with this approach. Minor appearance updates are expected to sharpen the truck's presence without straying from a formula that has worked well. Refined trim details, updated wheel finishes, and subtle exterior tweaks that keep things looking current. The result is a truck that reads as serious from every angle, whether it's sitting at a dealer or backed up to a loading dock. For a truck built to work hard for years, that kind of enduring design is an asset, not a compromise. A great exterior pulls you in, but it's what's waiting on the inside that keeps you from looking at another truck, and the 2027 Silverado HD's cabin is no small part of that story. Number 3. Contemporary cabin. Heavy-duty trucks used to mean hard plastics and a cabin that felt like an afterthought. That era is gone. The 2027 Silverado HD is going to carry forward an interior that punches well above segment expectations with a dashboard that is clean, logical, and built around ease of use, whether you're in work boots at 7 in the morning or heading out after a long day. Here's something that often gets overlooked. Spending 8 or 10 hours behind the wheel of a work truck is a very different experience from a weekend drive. Passenger space becomes a real priority. The crew cab delivers rear seat legroom of 43.4 inches, room to actually stretch out on a long haul, dedicated rear climate vents, dual glove boxes, a large center console bin, and available underseat compartments make sure there's a place for everything a working crew carries. Build quality across mid and upper trims is solid, with materials that feel appropriate for what's being asked of them. This is a cabin designed by people who understand that a truck's interior gets used hard. That comfortable cabin sets the stage, but the technology packed into this truck takes things several steps further, and that's where it gets really interesting. Number 2. Standard and available tech features. Technology in the 2027 Silverado HD is going to span 2 clear levels. Entry models are going to come with a 7-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto as standard. Step up to the LT trim and above, and a 13.4-inch touchscreen running Google built-in software becomes standard, paired with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. Natural speech commands work reliably, navigation is sharp, and the interface responds without the lag found in some competitors. Wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and an available head-up display round out the upper trim tech picture. Anyone who has backed a long trailer into a tight space knows how quickly that situation becomes stressful. The Silverado HD's 14-camera surround view system addresses that directly. One of its most useful modes effectively makes the trailer visually transparent, giving the driver a clear picture on all sides. A trailer profile storage system lets owners log maintenance schedules and control certain trailer functions through a smartphone app. On the safety side, forward collision warning and automatic emergency braking are going to be standard across the lineup. Available features add blind spot monitoring with trailer-specific coverage, rear cross-traffic alert, and adaptive cruise control. Those are tools that make a genuine difference when managing a heavy load in traffic. All of that capability, comfort, and technology would mean little if the price put it out of reach. So here's the part that ties everything together. Number 1. Value. Pricing for the 2027 Chevrolet Silverado HD is going to arrive with a minimal increase over the outgoing model, keeping it well positioned against segment rivals. The lineup is going to start under $50,000 in base configuration, which is a competitive entry point for a truck with this level of capability. What makes that pricing meaningful is what comes with it: an Allison transmission, 2 capable V8 engines, a full range of cab and bed options, and serious towing and hauling figures. All at a price that sits level with or slightly below equivalent configurations from Ram and Ford. The LT trim represents the clearest value step in the lineup, unlocking the large touchscreen, digital cluster, and the bulk of the truck's technology content. For buyers wanting the most complete package, the ZR2 holds its own both on and off the road. The 2027 Silverado HD is shaping up to be a truck that doesn't ask you to overpay for what it provides. And in the heavy-duty segment, that's becoming harder to say about most competitors. The 2027 Chevrolet Silverado HD is arriving as a truck that has done the hard work of getting the fundamentals right. 2 well-matched powertrains, genuine work capability built around real numbers, an exterior that continues to hold its own, a cabin that respects the hours people spend inside it, technology that earns its place on the road and the job site, and pricing that keeps it within reach. It isn't trying to be the flashiest option in the segment. It's trying to be the most complete one, and based on everything pointing toward this model year, that's exactly what it's shaping up to be. With everything we've just said, it's pretty clear that the Silverado HD represents one of the best options in the segment. Still, rivals have their trump cards too, starting with the Ford Super Duty, which you can check out in our next video. Ford just made the Godzilla a standard engine, while the high-output diesel is the only one you can get now, meaning that no matter the configuration, you get maximum performance.